All right, tonight we got another box of the 2022 Decision Vault. As a reminder, this is going to come with 9 insert cards, guaranteed a cut autograph, patch card, Queen's Jubilee, along with some others. And then you also get a retail box of 2016 Decision and 3 bonus packs. So let's get into it. I do this every time, I always forget to leave the razor nearby. Okay, so first thing we will put the good box over here so we don't see. I think I got a peek of it and I liked what I saw. Alright, so we're going to open these boxes. These are kind of boring to watch, so we'll do this and we'll let you guys know if we got anything. Alright, picking up as expected. Open the box. Nothing really in there. Couple inserts, but nothing worth showing you. So we're jumping right into the 9 here. Going to do this. Okay. And we're going to use this card right here to block each one. Brian Anderson. So, first one up, Queen's Jubilee. William and Kate. Probably a better one or a more popular one than Meghan Markle we got last night.
Is it numbered?
No, unfortunately not. Okay, next, our Trump nickname card, I believe. Pencil neck on Shifty Shift there. I guess he's got a few nicknames for him. It's funny. Okay. Next, Trump Under Fire. So a reminder on this, we're hoping for a
blue.
Or red is the ultra rare, blue is like super rare. So either blue or red. Oh, I guess we're out of order here. What is this? This is, oh, Kristi Noem. Our favorite person from South Dakota. Okay, next, there's only 3 cards right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's out of order, I suppose. Nikki Haley, promo card. That was a weird noise, I promise it was my elbow. Spouses, Melania promo. Here's Trump. Okay, Trump clothing made overseas. Give us a red, give us a green. Look at that face. I'm not positive what green is, but I know it's under red and blue, so. Okay, this is the cut autograph is next. We don't want to ruin that yet, so we're going to put that over here, save it for the end. Hillary, 4 out of 10. Zelensky and Biden. Our world leader card. That is what you're looking for when you get one of these. That is a Zelensky patch, which is probably after Trump, the most sought after patch that you can get. Not numbered though, unfortunately. Okay, that's a cool one though. All right, who's the autograph? Who we feeling? Give us somebody good, please. Oh, baby. Ivana Trump.
Nice.
All right, that is cool. That is what we were hoping for. You know, a few people we had on our list, and she was definitely up there. So that is good news.
That's the mom.
Yes, she passed last year, I believe. Very cool. All right, excited for that one. So, all right, good box. Catch you guys next time.